Stop scrolling! What if I told you that a gaming monitor under $200 can absolutely destroy the smoothness of boring old 60 Hz and actually feel like a high-end premium display? Today, we're diving into the KTC 27-inch QHD Gaming Monitor, model H27T22C-3. And trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this one. And hey, welcome back to Techfinyty, the channel where we break down the best tech so you don't waste your money on the wrong gear. All right, let's jump right in. Picture this. You boot up your favorite game. Your eyes locked onto a massive 27-inch QHD display with crisp 2560 by 1440 visuals that make every texture pop and motion so buttery smooth. It feels like you're literally inside the game world. And here's the kicker. The H27T22C-3 uses a fast IPS panel, meaning you get speed, color, and those wide viewing angles without sacrificing detail or performance. Feature highlights, performance, and specs. Now this is where the monitor really starts to shine. Listen to this. You're getting up to a jaw-dropping 210 Hz refresh rate. That's more than 3 times smoother than your average 60 Hz screen. Competitive gaming? Oh yeah, absolutely buttery. And pair that with a lightning-fast 1 millisecond response time. And you're minimizing motion blur and ghosting like crazy. Perfect for shooters, racers, basically anything fast-paced. But here's what surprised us. For a monitor in this price bracket, it actually includes adaptive sync technology. That means FreeSync plus G-Sync compatibility, so screen tearing becomes a thing of the past. Whether you're rocking AMD or NVIDIA, that is a huge win for gamers. Color and visual experience. And it's not just fast, it's also absolutely vibrant. You're getting HDR 400 certification with up to 450 nits of brightness. Bright scenes look poppy without washing out all the detail. And check this out. The wide color gamut, over 130% sRGB coverage, makes everything from game worlds to creative work feel so much more alive. Connectivity and perks need flexibility? You're completely covered. You get 2 HDMI 2.0 ports and 2 DisplayPort 1.4 ports. Plug in your PC, your console, or both and switch on the fly. Plus, VESA 100 by 100 support. So, if you want that clean wall mount setup, go for it. And yes, built-in speakers are here too. So, you've got basic audio right out of the box. On top of that, you also get flicker-free tech and low blue light filters. So marathon gaming sessions don't end with tired eyes. Real-world use cases. So who is this monitor really for? Competitive gamers chasing that 210 Hz edge, content writers who want sharp QHD detail. Everyday users who want a big, vibrant screen without breaking the bank. Honestly, this is one of those rare monitors that feels way more expensive than its price tag suggests. Conclusion, recommendation. Final verdict? The KTC H27T22C-3 punches way above its weight class. A seriously capable 27-inch QHD monitor with high refresh rate, adaptive sync, great colors, and comfort features, all in one package. If you're building a rig for gaming and creative work without dropping big bucks, this is absolutely worth considering. This earns a big, worth every penny considering. This earns a big, worth every penny badge. Now, I want to hear from you. Would you game on this monitor, or are you still Team 4K? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if this video helped you out, smash that like button. It seriously supports the channel. Make sure you subscribe to Techfinyty because we've got more insane budget tech finds coming every week. And if you want to check out the KTC monitor for yourself, the link is waiting down in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, stay curious. ABD, keep discovering.